We're building cabins that we constructed for Camp Decorah.
Make sure everything's square, everything's lined up, right measurements, measure twice, cut once, things like that, easy.
And you start talking about angles and measurements, why we put where we put it, and how much strength something has over a span. Those are all science ideas and engineering tactics that we talk about in a classroom. But these kids, they get hands-on measurement, span. They can see when a board is too far stretched to the point, they can see it bend and crack. Whereas in a science class or a math class, they might not see that actual application of it.
You can't do it by yourself. Teamwork definitely makes everything go a lot easier.
And the kids get that feeling where they're like, I can actually see that I'm helping out the community in some way. They get to see, maybe I should help volunteer. I have a lot of trade skills, or I know how to do stuff. It means a lot to people. I should volunteer and help get out in the community and make our community as a whole a better place.